What is PRP? PRP is platelet-rich plasma therapy. What is the need for platelet-rich plasma? The need is the platelets are the blood components which contains lot of growth factors, and when these growth factors are used for damaged areas, traumatized areas, and injected into that, regeneration of the damaged tissue is possible. Now, this is just not the only reason why we do platelet-rich plasma therapy. In Concept Hospital, what we do is called as third generation PRP therapy. What is third generation PRP therapy? Normally in PRP therapy, what we do is we separate the blood, we take the blood from the patient, centrifuge it, and remove the platelet-rich plasma component part of it and just inject into the target area. But here what we do is we separate the first generation of platelet-rich plasma, then activate it with the light and vibration, blast the platelets and make the platelet to release the growth factors, the cytokines, and lot of other enzymes into the plasma. And this activated plasma with light and vibration is then centrifuged, and the third generation is a combination of stem cells which is separated from the third spin from the leftover plasma, and combination of the stem cells along with the activated platelets is injected into the target area. The advantage is we get stem cells, we get growth factors, we get cytokines, and we get many other enzymes which helps in regrowth of the tissues. Earlier it was not possible when there is a degenerative change. All we can do is reduce the inflammation, reduce the pain, and improve the comfort of the patient. But in this system, there is a high chance where we can bring back the damaged tissue to the normalcy. The platelet-rich plasma, which is the third generation, if it is deployed into the joint, the cartilages, worn out cartilages are restored back. If it is deployed into the scalp, the hair fall can be arrested, a baldness can be treated, and it can also rejuvenate the hair follicles, thereby you don't lose, or there will be minimal hair fall. And platelet-rich plasma is also used in many other conditions, like for example, a chronic back pain is because of the degenerative changes in the intervertebral disc, where regeneration is not conventionally possible. By injecting the platelet-rich plasma in the intervertebral disc area, as well as into the sacroiliac joints, as well as in the cervical joint area, into the muscles, and in many other areas, it can rejuvenate and bring it back to normalcy. It can also be injected into the face for facelifting. It can be injected into the genital organs to rejuvenate the genital organs, and there are so many different there are so many different indications are there for platelet-rich plasma. This is going to be a very revolutionary treatment. In the future, this is going to be the mainstay for regrowth of the limbs and regrowth of many of the internal organs. This is the prelude to all of them. Since we are using the allogenic platelets, there is no risk of any new disease coming into your body, because at the end of the day it is only your blood and your plasma. There is no addition of any chemicals, there is no addition of heparin, there is no addition of any other component into that. Just your blood cells, they are separated and being injected back into your system in a very concentrated way to regrow the damaged tissue. So platelet-rich plasma is one of the safest and the best solution for many of the degenerative joint diseases, and to rejuvenate the damaged parts of our body and cells.